Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2010 Bluebird Vision. This has only 150,000 miles on it, 72 passenger, and is powered by the Cummins ISB 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine paired with the Allison automatic transmission. What a combo. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's check it out. All right, I'm going to show you the front passenger side tire here. I'm going to give you a shot of the Cummins ISB 6.7 liter. Look at that, huh? And look at Federal Way. Beautiful. All right. So coming on inside, we have an air-operated bifold passenger entry door, black ribbed aisleway, stepway, white step nosing, and some grab rails coming on in. Going over the driver area here, driver seat upholstery. No big rips, cuts, tears, anything like that. Looks good going all the way up and down. Going right to left, we got your high idle switch, Allison automatic transmission shift pad there. Mileage, 150,996 miles on this baby. Got your headlights, hazards, Panasonic AM, FM, CD stereo. We got your power mirrors, and these are also heated. It's that button right there. That's top and bottom on both sides. Got all your heat controls, defrost, rear heaters, booster pump, dome lights, noise suppression, auxiliary fans. Check that out. Woo! We love the auxiliary fans. Look at that. Wow. Nothing like it, huh? And PA mic jack right there as well. All right, that'll do it for that. Let's check out the back here. As I said, 72 passenger school bus. It's 3 to a seat. Your gray bench style seating, gray vinyl covers. We are going to have some patch jobs in the corners here. Do want you to be aware of that on a lot of them. Now it is stitched up and there's no foam sticking out, so they were patched, but please be aware of that. Check it out. So that's something you're worried about. These do have quite a bit of patches on them, as you can see. Coming all the way to the back, bada bing, bada boom. So pretty much all kind of the same. Have been patched, but there is some obvious infirmities on these seats here. Up top, we got 2 emergency roof hatches, speakers zigzagging their way down the aisle, dome lights going down the side of both aisles, sorry, going down both sides of the aisle, midship emergency exit door on the driver's side, emergency exit door in the rear. Yeah, just want to point that out. All right, that'll pretty much do it for the inside. Let's check out the outside. All right, coming around the outside, not a whole lot of body damage or body infirmities to talk about on this. Thing shows pretty well. We got some sanders, check that out. Got a little bit of some touch-up paint going on here. And there is a little bit of a rusty floor on this storage compartment there. All right, gonna show you the rear passenger side doors. Got your sander tubes here. This is equipped with chains. We don't test if those work, just know it is equipped. I'll show you the frame here. Look at that, huh? Not too shabby. All right, coming around the back here, rear passenger side skirt, nice and straight. These corners tend to be where you'll see the most damage on these people backing into stuff. We got your some scuffs side there as well. That more just looks like some silicone that fell off or something. I got a rear emergency exit door, 2 windows on that, window on each side. Do got some damage right there. Check that out. A little bit of something going on there. Couldn't tell you what it is, but do want you to be aware. Driver's side, skirts going down. Corner right here, a little bit of some action there. Driver's side skirt looks straight going down. I'm gonna show you the rear driver's side duals here. Got another some sanders there. Check out that frame, huh? Got your slide out battery box and tray. Kind of the same thing as the other one. It's like some touch-up paint over a little bit of rust here. This can be kind of finicky. We got 3 Group 31s here, right in there. Looking good. Got your front driver's side tire. I'll give you another shot of the Cummins ISB. I do want to point out this does have a Washington State Patrol safety inspection sticker from 2025. Here in Washington State, every school bus that goes into service has to have a bumper-to-bumper inspection done by the Washington State Patrol, and this bus passed just last year. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses in our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099, visit us at nwbus.com, or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thanks for watching.